What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing this really cool mod from Nelson Racing Wheel. It's called the Ram Air COWL. There it is right there. Finally got some time to install it, so let's get to that. Alright, so here's the product up close. A quick little overview is, so the company says it is 100% real carbon fiber. I mean, the quality looks pretty nice, I'd say. It comes with these two bolts right here. The install looks pretty easy. Basically, it sits right here and it's, designed to kind of cover up all these wires, and I'm not sure if it's super functional, but it's more for looks in my opinion. I mean, I guess I'm not the one to say that, but I'm kind of putting it on for looks. So yeah, let's get to that. All right, so as I said before, the install should be pretty easy. There are two bolt holes right here, and they line up, I believe, right here and here. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna just kind of be careful to not scratch the carbon, but I'm pretty sure it just sets it in just like that. Kind of sits on there. And then let's grab these bolts. See how this works out. Alright, so the left side's being a little challenging, so I'm going to try the right side first. You said it kind of lines up and just sets right in here like this. Alright, I'll come around here. And there's just so little room. You're able to actually work with your hands in here. Holy shit. Well, a light fell. That's nice. I don't know how that fell. Oh, the magnet broke. I think I got this one on here. Alright, with a little bit of finagling and some tools, I was able to actually get the bolt on there at the end, and it fits pretty good. I'd say fitment's pretty good. Don't want to over tighten this, but alright, so after a little bit of finagling, I got it to sit a lot better. As you can see, so air is supposed to go in through the front, up and through this little duct, and then kind of push it over to the relocated inlets. I had to kind of readjust it. If you can see in here, it actually kind of sits right there. There you go. It sits on that ledge on both sides. You can see that, and now it's seated a lot lower. Hopefully the hood will close with no problem. I'm pretty sure it will. So yeah, looks pretty good, I'd say. Hides all that wiring, and overall, I mean, pretty cool product. I mean, it's not the sturdiest, but hopefully it doesn't rattle and stuff. All right, so as I said earlier in the video, the carbon fiber quality is really good. At least, I mean, I believe the finish looks really nice and the quality is good. The only complaint I have is this seal right here, and this right here. So I actually had the company send me a new one. This is the old one. When I put this one on, and as I was installing it, it began to rip and rip and rip more. So I mean, I might just glue this on, or just take this off altogether. But other than that, I mean, the product took, I think, 5 months to get here. My girlfriend ordered it in December, and I think we got it in May. So I mean, and it was $300-400. Once again, I feel like the quality of this should be better for such an expensive product that took so long. But yeah, other than this trash seal, the overall quality of the actual Ram Air is pretty good, and it really does bring the whole engine bay together and kind of like gives it that next level look. And once again, hides all these ugly hoses and everything, you know, and I'm sure it has maybe a little bit of functionality where it drives the air, you know, right there through the grills and through this duct, and then kind of maybe around a flow to the relocated inlets. All right, so that's going to conclude the video for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Like the video and drop a comment if you have any questions. I will put a link to this product in the description of this video. And peace. Thanks for watching.